All new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 WorkTruck for sale now. This new Silverado 1500 features 2 doors. Got AM/FM, adjustable steering wheel, air conditioning, anti-lock brakes, automatic headlights, bench seat, CD, single disc, cloth seats, cruise control, delay-off headlights, front airbags, dual, front center armrest, independent suspension, intermittent wipers, overhead console, power steering, reading lights, split folding seats, tachometer, tire pressure monitoring system, traction stability control, trip computer, vanity mirror light and more. 4-speed automatic with overdrive, 4WD, and dark titanium cloth. Stop! Read this. What are you waiting for? Proud Chevrolet Dealer of the Year, our dealership provides you exceptional service and convenience that has no rival. We give you the Paradise Advantage free oil changes, loops and filters for life, free door dent repair, trade-in guarantee and much more forever. Enjoy the pressure-free buying experience our customers love and